Hi, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure. Welcome to the channel. If you like today's content, please press the like button, subscribe. Today I am going to talk about the helmet I bought when I got my bike, the BMW GSA 1250. I'm new to the adventure world, and this channel is just dedicated to reviewing and talking about my journey into it and through it. Okay, the XD4, the helmet I chose. I did have some other choices. I did get my bike in the middle of COVID, so supply chain problems were an issue. I actually had to drive 60 miles from my shop where I got the bike to get my helmet. They had it in stock. I really like this helmet. There's nothing really, no real cons about it. I added thicker cheek pads by 5mm, I believe, possibly 10. It was this medium was a little too loose. As it was, I got the bigger cheek pads. Fits perfectly now. Helmet has lots of ventilation. On, off, into the thing. Here. I did watch a video from Arai itself that mentioned always leave the back vents open. So I do. I came with the clear visor. I added a lightly smoked one. It doesn't have pin lock. It has a lock right here, which snaps the visor right into place. Good visibility. This light smoke visor also is anti-fog. I believe it was somewhere in the $55 range. The pads, which come out very easily, I don't particularly want to take them out, were $25. They have little cutouts for speakers when I do put comm into the helmet, which I will be doing. It's not integrated into the helmet, so it's going to be slip on, snap on the side, low profile obviously, and that's about it. I would say my only real con, the only thing I'm not crazy about with this helmet is that it doesn't have, you know, a slip down, drop down sun visor like the Schubert, like some other helmets. But overall, love this helmet. Price point comparable to everything else, and I use it off-road riding as well. Okay, thanks for checking it out today. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.